guys, so today I am going to be making an account and I only allow these 600 star coins for Oliver. I want to try to do the face of 100 only and then do the rest of the body 500. And I'm also giving it away. So this is on the Ireland server. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this top because I'm gonna take this top because I like it, because I'm trying to make it as stylish as possible for you guys. And that looks a bit nice, but I might change it to red. And oh no, it's too vibrant. And this. And these. Okay, and her name will be HarleyLovesYa123. Sounds like my YouTube channel name. What? Okay, anyways, the password is LOL123. And so yeah, and doing this away on the Ireland server, like I said. This is my main account, xxxxxxx. Yeah, so I'm about to load. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go for a while because I am going to try to get 600 star coins. So bye. No Pixie, I don't want to be a friend. Take gifts from people who sabotage me and force me to be their friend. Go away, you pink-haired weirdo. I've done the high scores, really. So hard. I have to pat people's pets for money. Roasted. Hey guys, I finally have enough money, so I'm gonna go try and find the top, and I'll come back to you when I find the top. I think this might be the top we're getting, but I'll have another look. Guys, I will admit I went a little bit over the budget, but yeah. For after. Now for the face. Okay guys, so I decided on buying this, so here we go. Can you buy please? Oh, never mind, it's bought. Okay, now for the end. Dun dun dun. Hey, this is the first one. It's not the best. This is the second one. It's okay. Third one, really bad. Fourth one, super bad. And fifth one is the best one out of them all. All of them. Out of the entire world. Oh, I need help. Pixie sticks. Okay, sorry guys. I have to go now. Bye.